listen to my melody, when you hear my lamentation, I am sure you will pity me. 'Tis once I loved a young man, as near to youth as could be seen. He was torn from my arms for wearing a suit of green. He told me of a lady, one he once was bound to see, who took him up to Dublin with fineries and company. She brought him to a shop of the neatest cloth that could be seen, embroidered all with gold lace, and she dressed him in the green. 'Twas on a summer's evening, as my love and I chanced to rove, folded in each other's arms, we passed through shady groves. He laid his head upon my breast, and these words to me did say, my love, my life is in danger for wearing of the green. I said, my dearest William, if what you say to me be true, pray take off those green clothes, and I'll buy you a suit of blue. Oh no, my charming girl, he said, such cowardice ne'er be seen. I am a son of Granua, and always will adorn the green. I am a son of Granua, though from me my life they tore. It is my native color, the shamrock St. Patrick wore, and it shall never falter, though thousands against me be seen. For some of the Queen's own army have their facings made of green. It was on a Sunday evening, as my love and I sat in a room, not thinking of any harm, when suddenly the guards did come. With their guns they broke the door, the moment my love they'd seen, and they tore him from my arms for wearing the suit of green. My love was taken prisoner, and by a court-martial tried. The colonel gave the orders that at 12 next day he should die. He said, I disregard you, though no just law you show to me, for all the crime you charge me with is wearing of the green. Then I went to the general, my case to him